Hey guys, this is a script to scrape data from ISC, Inspectoratul de Stat în Construcții. It's built in Python using Selenium Chrome driver and scrapes the data using BS4, Beautiful Soup, and some split functionality. It runs extremely fast and stable and manages to get all the data, um, which is like which appears on the website as a title, but it's more in deep than that. So it gets all the data by inputting one of the uh, alphabet letters, um, and also changing the county for on each iteration. So let's see how it works. So as I say, it searches for the county and then the letter, and it goes to the next county, and again takes the loop for each alphabet letter on that specific county. Thanks for watching.